Here is a wonderful 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.